Where are we heading to, Case?
It's Titman Farms.
Heading to the first field. The whole crew's here. We got Dane, Mark, Brent, Dad, Dean. Everybody. There you go. You want to be the one that holds it?
Yeah.
What happened?
You left the door open. I don't have to
Brought the boss.
Uh-oh. What are you going to do there? Take a picture?
You got a video. I'm just gonna let him carry it around.
What's up, farmer? How are you? I was like, looking at the truck there.
Look at Dean. Day one of harvest. We are harvesting a 14-acre bean field. We're using our second combine today. This is a 2005 2388. We actually just got it for this year. We upgraded from a 1991 1660, so a major upgrade for us for our secondary combine. The Lexion's still at home. We're gonna run that tomorrow, but with this 12-acre field, or I'm sorry, 14-acre field, we figured might as well get the newer combine out here and get everything set up. We're having a little troubles with the auto steer, setting the AB line, stuff like that, but we'll get it figured out. But I'll take you a quick tour around it just for fun. One of the big upgrades is a 30-foot head, so that'll help out a lot, just getting stuff done a little sooner. And we'll jump up inside, check it out. So with the 1660 we used to have, it was like the T-bar handle, and I'll show you that. A little different here. Most of the controls are right here, your fingertips. We also have auto steer and a yield monitor. So I'm not going to show you the yield right now because it's not very good, but that's because we were doing some end rows. But yeah, major upgrade, a little bit different than the 1660. There you go. That's exactly right. Hold on, Lane.
Can I hold it?
We got two helpers today, don't we?
Daddy, can I hold it?
Clean.
Oh, you didn't? Uh-oh.
Run out of gas?
I don't.
Uh-oh. Well, that's never good.
All right, man. About to get a gas can.
Yeah, can't run it without gas.
Yeah.
Your dad's got one in the back of his truck.
Oh, he does?
Or he did.
See, Marty always comes prepared.
Dad! You got any gas? Yeah.
Daddy, tractor. Daddy, good
Well,
tractor.
hiccup number 1 on the year.
We're doing good.
Ran out of gas. Jeez. We blame Dane. Dane brings the way wagon and doesn't bring enough gas. As you can see, it's a little green out there, but Marty's itching to get in the field, so I'm taking the 14-acre field first. Might as well. I think we got enough people working out here. Bag. Are you the future of Titman Farms? Kason, hey, Kason, what'd you find out here? What'd you find out here?
A frog.
All right, show everybody.
Show me frog.
I want it.
Nope.
Get it later.
It's like it. It's in my head.
Show everyone your frog.
It's in my head.
What'd you name him?
A wolfie.
Wolfie. Oh, that was Ralphie. Good thing Marty comes prepared.
Yeah. Here's my $5 gasoline going in there. Cargo wagon.
Take it out of the seed bill. Just charge Bloomerang seed. See how this calibration's going. We got 3 people. Wonder who's in charge. We have Brent the master and Dane the micromanager. What could go wrong? Well, it'll be where the start is. So once the start starts, it'll switch to stop.
I got this.
I would just leave it on that screen once we hit start and see what happens. Let's go dump and then we'll click it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Click the card.
Yep.
3,000 pounds. I can get that around.
Yeah, easily. I think what we want to do is do 3,000 pounds and then do 6,000 pounds. That way we have different increments of yield. So, yep. You dump. on, Case. Take it in there. Go see what happened. Turn it around. Get him in there. Ooh, backward foot.
What happened, Papa?
I gotta get this door shut.
I want to go show.
Oh, fuck that. Really
No, I want to.
We did that over March one day. That's shut. Do you need to tighten that? After I unload, you need to tighten that.
Yeah. What do you got on?
Hey, what's that?
I know.
I'm going to go show him inside.
Yeah, no kidding. Is this a jungle gym for kids? What are you doing, weirdo? Is that your wrestling stance? Attaboy. Say, don't mess with Titman Farms. Oh, here we go, attacking the little brother. Let's see all the brain power going on over here. Oh, looks like everyone's going home. What's up, Lane?
This is the best day ever.
This is the best day ever?
Yeah.
What are we going to do right now?
Eat what?
We're gonna go home and eat.
Yeah.
Say, we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Jason.
See you tomorrow.